Hello YouTube family. It's been a long time, but we're back. We are at Disney's Blizzard Beach. We got down here, I think it's around 11 o'clock. Don't seem too bad. It's on a Thursday, day before Juneteenth, so I guess June 18th. Don't seem too bad, pack-wise, but we'll see. Got a lot of videos, or a lot of footage that I have to edit, and probably 10-15 videos of theme park stuff, but I will start recording again once we get in. If you've ever heard the Disney Wonderland Summerland Golf, there it is, miniature golf putt-putt. So if you don't have a Magic Band or a hard park ticket, they'll give you one whenever you come in. So that's no sweat there. Because the girls don't have passes or Magic Bands, active Magic Bands, and we all just got hard copies. Like a hotel card key. Gift shop. Lockers. When you come in, keep to the right and go back toward the way you come in to get to the lockers. At the Disney parks, especially the water parks, I know for sure they have water kegs stationed around with complimentary cups, so no reason to be dehydrated. So fun fact, I've been to Typhoon Lagoon probably 20 times of my life. I come to Blizzard Beach one time as a kid, I remember, for sure I remember, but we've always wound up going to Typhoon Lagoon. Every video I have on my YouTube channel is Typhoon Lagoon, so I'm really excited about filming this today. Haven't really been too excited about doing a whole lot lately, so this is cool. Waiting on the girls now to get dressed, come out the locker room. So we I left my selfie stick and pole or whatever at home, so I'm not going to be able to film a lot of the rides, but what I will do is, you know, do a walkthrough and try to do the best I can, improvise. This is the first family trip we took in quite some time, so not too sure how much I'm going to be worried about it, recording and all, but I'm like, oh, for the Cool Kids Summer, you will see the cast members. Oh, let me get it back to where I can adjust. You'll see the cast members drawing sidewalk art, and that is Hey Hey she's drawing. So there they are. I see. Pretty good bit of chairs over here, so it seems. So everywhere there's a kid zone that I've been to water park wise is gonna have a shaded spot like this. Stand on the step.
Hang on, we gotta wait right. Okay, hey, you can't take that. Hey, thank you, Rowan, for carrying it.
We can leave her tube at the bottom.
Beverly.
buttons right now, Riley.
Why am I not holding?
Because I have your buttons.
This way, crazy!
That was fun. I didn't fun.
Get in! Tootie! Hang on, baby.
Well, he's filming. He's filming.